I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fibonacci circles. This powerful tool, rooted in the Fibonacci sequence, helps traders visualize potential support and resistance areas. By applying these geometric patterns to price charts, you can gain insights into future price movements. The circles dynamically adjust to market conditions, making them versatile for different trading styles and timeframes. Understanding their principles is key to enhancing your market analysis. To draw Fibonacci circles, begin by identifying two crucial price points on your chart, such as a clear pivot high and a pivot low. Next, draw a trend line connecting these two anchor points. Your charting software will then automatically generate a series of circles based on the Fibonacci ratios, like 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8%. You can also adjust the initial value to fine-tune the circle's scale to the current price action. Interpreting Fibonacci circles involves observing how price interacts with their boundaries. The circumference of each circle acts as a dynamic support or resistance level. You'll often see price react to these areas, either by reversing direction or consolidating before a move. Pay close attention to whether price accelerates or decelerates around these circles. A clear breakout above or below a circle can indicate a strong trend continuation or a significant reversal in market direction. For practical application, combine Fibonacci circles with other technical tools, such as trend lines or moving averages, to strengthen your analysis. Utilize them across multiple time frames, from short-term 5-minute charts to longer-term daily charts, for a more comprehensive market view. Always confirm signals with additional indicators like volume or specific candlestick patterns. Remember to practice sound risk management, defining clear entry and exit points for every trade to protect your capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.